My name is Joyce Clue. I'm the founder of Mobile Alert Toilets, which is a social business that improves overflowing pit latrines in low-income areas and urban slums of Kenya. Today we are here at Ryeeda CBO school, where with the support and funding from Toilets for All, we have managed to reconstruct a previously overflowing pit latrine to the current status, which is clean, safe and hygiene for school children. 250 school children are going to be using this latrine. In light of the current global COVID-19 pandemic, MSR Global Health has also donated 2 hand washing stations. And these hand washing stations, there's one for the boys and one for the girls, and they'll be used as a pilot for in this particular school. And then later on, we'll look at ways of producing it locally at an affordable cost. And also we've provided 2 to 3 weeks supply of soap for the school. And we have discussed with the school administration, and they've agreed that beyond the 3 weeks of supply of soap, they will take over the responsibility of providing the children with soap, so that children will have clean water and soap for hand washing throughout.